From a high salary taker to a salary giver, at the age of 50, when people plan their retirement, this young man has planned his business and now he is an inspiration, an example for many of those who have the same age and people who think that after a particular age we cannot do anything. Hi friend, my name is Rahul Dongre and today I am going to talk about Kishore Pinglekar sir. Kishore sir is basically a founder of Tejwan Associate. He was also a vice president of Marathwada Samiti and a senior member of Pune Auto Expo. His journey is going to inspire you all and he will definitely prove that age is just a number. So be brave to believe in you and watch this video till the end and please subscribe.
दोस्तों आज के हमारे जो गेस्ट है किशोर पिंगलेकर सर, इनकी जर्नी आपको डेफिनेटली इंस्पायर करेगी एंड जो बिजनेस में इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं उनके लिए ये खास एपिसोड है. सो प्लीज इसे एंड तक देखें एंड समय व्यर्थ ना करते हुए मैं डायरेक्टली किशोर सर से कहूंगा कि सर प्लीज आप आपके बारे में हमें थोड़ी जानकारी दें.
थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर गिविंग अपॉर्चुनिटी मी टू शेयर माय व्यूज ऑन दिस प्लेटफॉर्म.
यस सर.
Definitely, Rahul, my journey is definitely useful for the people who he wanted to work after the age of 50 in the business.
Correct.
Basically, I was a employee, high salaried employee.
Yes, sir.
I was getting a very huge salary, and somehow, sometimes some because of some mishaps or sometimes some because of problems, some create and these things, you don't come out of the company somehow.
Yeah.
Sir, what I wanted to say that at the age of 51, I left the organization, a beautiful organization, namely ARI. My journey started, I'm basically from Marathwada region.
Okay.
I left Marathwada in the 1984.
Okay.
And I joined this beautiful organization.
Okay.
My basic qualification is diploma in mechanical engineering.
Okay.
So after leaving the city, when I came to Pune, I joined the beautiful organization and worked there.
Yeah.
More than 31 years I was working there.
Okay.
I got basically I got every year promotion and these things. I reached at the upper level, very very big upper level at the position of general manager.
Yeah.
I was heading a purchase department.
Okay.
Basically, working in purchase department, I was having the techno-commercial acumen. My techno-commercial acumen is very strong.
Okay.
So, whenever the equipment like the passive safety, noise, or fatigue test, and all this equipment for the technical content, it were coming to us. We were finalizing, and then we were placing the orders.
Correct.
So, in the year of 2015, I left the organization.
Okay.
And I thought that at this age, if I go anywhere, then it will be difficult for me because from general manager, if I apply, then definitely anyone will seek the higher position.
Yeah.
The market will not give the opportunity to you at higher position.
Correct, sir.
And I was working in a beautiful organization where so many people were under me. So basically, my inner conscience was saying that I will not work for any companies.
Okay.
I will start my own.
Great.
So my basic journey, my package was 30 lakhs rupees per annum.
Wow, amazing.
So 30 lakhs is very big amount.
Yeah.
In the year 2015, when I left the organization, I was literally collapsed because to get the 30 lakhs is very difficult. So I thought that definitely I'll get the opportunity in the business because in the ARI, every equipment, say load cell, sensor, say high pressure sensors, all this technology we learn. But to manufacture such type of equipment is required very big capital amount.
Correct, sir.
And these are the quality products.
Yeah.
And I thought that when I was sitting in the chair, I used to see that if you call the quotation for any good products like this load cell, say sensor or particulate emission analyzer.
Yeah.
There are so many people are there, and we were placing the order to only one supplier.
Correct.
So 7 suppliers were not getting order.
Yes, sir.
So many suppliers. Because only one can get the orders.
Yeah.
So then I thought that my lifespan will be of 70, 75 years, whatever it may be there. So within that lifespan, I may not grab the market in the quality product.
Yeah.
Then I decided at the same time in the era when I'm sitting in the purchase department, I used to see that there are so many quantity products are there, some quantity players like this.
Okay.
Where the market requirement is very much big quantity requirement is there. Quality, to purchase the quality product, very few customers are there.
Okay.
But for the purchasing of quantity products, there are so many customers are there.
Yeah.
But definitely whatever you will get, the profit margin is definitely lesser in quantity product.
Yeah.
I thought that first I will stabilize in the market by taking the distributorship from any companies.
Yeah.
Who is having a very brand image and who is giving the quantity products.
Yes.
In the market.
Yeah.
Then in 2016-17 I got the opportunity from Vidal company.
Okay.
And I started my own journey.
Yeah.
When I seen the own journey in 1918 also, I tried abroad also to settle in business activity.
Okay.
In Dubai.
Okay.
But I could not go through.
Okay.
But when I started Vidal in 2018, I noticed that there is quantity requirement is there. So many people are there. Will definitely grab the market because after working area experience was very good with me.
Yeah.
Normally it is say that whatever the experience you want to say, I'll just one line I'll praise whatever why I went in this particular product which is required quantity.
Yeah.
Say past is experience, present is experiment, future is expectation.
Yeah.
Use your experience in your experiments to achieve your expectation.
Yes.
This is the particular phrase which this is my book, American Traveler.
Okay.
I've made the journey in America and written this book for the people who wanted to use to travel the journey.
Wow.
So this is the phrase. This is the phrase here I use, and then in my life also I thought that whatever I gain the experience, I will definitely do the experience to achieve my experiments.
Okay.
Achieve my expectation.
Yes, sir.
Expectation.
Yes, sir.
So I started journey in 2018. Okay. Initially, this is very big market. Automobile is very big market.
Yeah.
Now, in every city, such products are required.
Yes, sir.
Then I started to say, when we got this opportunity from Vidal, we worked in particular region in Pune, particularly for smaller area.
Okay.
And with properly systematic way we approach and we were achieving the target given by the companies.
Okay.
Step by step we achieved the Pune market. Company was also satisfied with us.
Okay.
Then they extended their arm by giving the opportunity in the Pune city in suburb areas.
Okay.
Like in rural area, they extended their arms, and we also wish to do that.
Okay.
Then similarly, in the 2019, the company said that they wanted to expand their business in PCMC. Being the quality was in my definitely because of experience, I am the quality person.
Yeah.
So I was using the quality for this particular way of working in this business.
Okay.
So in 2019, we have extended in the PCMC area also.
Acha. Okay.
So basically in 2018 to 2019, my journey started one by one.
Yes, sir.
Oil lubricant, though their electric vehicles are coming up, but my inner consciousness is saying that up to 2030, this business will not die.
Correct, sir. Definitely.
Meanwhile, our turnover was 30 lakhs in 2018. It went up to 4 crore up to this year.
Wonderful.
It just crossed the 4 crore.
Wow.
In the similar way, I was thinking that I am having this product. In Marathi, normally say that चहाच्या दुकानामध्ये खारी सुद्धा मिळते.
Yeah.
The Marathi चहाच्या दुकानात खारी. So parallelly, we started MFC product, which is required the filters, air filters, and these things.
Okay.
These are the products Mahindra First Choice brand name is there. So we thought that definitely this branding will support us. तर महिंद्राचे ब्रेक पॅड, फिल्टर्स, ऑइल फिल्टर्स, हे सगळे प्रोडक्ट्स आहेत ते मार्केटमध्ये डेफिनेट लागतात म्हणून आम्ही तो सुद्धा चालू केला.
ओके.
सो हे मागच्या 6 महिन्यापासून चालू करत आलो तेव्हा माझ्या लक्षात आलं की सर्व्हिस मध्ये जे आम्ही 30 लाख 3 लाख आहेत जे इन्कम मिळवायचं ते मला स्वतःसाठी मिळालं.
करेक्ट.
पण आता मला सॅटिस्फॅक्शन आहे की माझ्या बरोबर मी 10 फॅमिलीला सपोर्ट करतोय.
येस सर, दॅट इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट. येस सर.
बेसिकली मी हे का करू शकतो ह्याचा एक माझा स्वतःचा म्हणजे विचार मी शेअर करू इच्छितोय. ऍट द एज ऑफ 52 प्रत्येकाला नीड म्हणजे 1 BHK 2 BHK घ्यावी अशी अपेक्षा असते सगळ्यांनी.
करेक्ट.
त्या अपेक्षा ARI ऑर्गनायझेशन माझ्या फुलफिल केल्या. 1 BHK 2 BHK विदाउट लोन ह्या कंपनीला चांगल्या पद्धतीने फुलफिल केल्या. तर त्याच्यानंतर आज प्रॉफिट मार्जिन 30 lakhs मिळो, 10 lakhs मिळो, 5 lakhs मिळो, दॅट इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टंट. प्रॉफिट मिळणं हे महत्वाचं आहे आणि ह्या बाकी गोष्टी आता विदाउट लोन असल्यामुळे आय डिसाइडेड टू वर्क फॉर दिस पीपल. माझ्याकडे आज 10 जणांचा स्टाफ आहे तर माझी इच्छा असते की त्यांनी प्रत्येकाने स्कूटर घ्यावी. मी आता हे प्रॉडक्ट जरी असतील तरी आता नेक्स्ट या वर्षामध्ये मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग मध्ये आम्ही उतरणार आहोत. मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग मध्ये स्वतःचा ब्रँड तयार करून मागच्या 3 वर्षाचा अनुभव हे करून आम्ही युटिलाइज करून आम्ही ऑटोमोबाईल क्षेत्रामध्ये मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग साठी स्टेप घेणार आहोत.
वंडरफुल.
हे प्रॉडक्ट ऑटोमोबाईलला तुम्ही एखादं 2 व्हीलर घेतलं तर 2 व्हीलर हा खूप मोठे त्याच्यात कॉम्पोनंट असतात कार्बोरेटर पासून ते सगळे. तर हे प्रॉडक्ट सगळे आम्ही त्यातले 2 प्रॉडक्ट आमच्या लिस्ट मध्ये आलेले आहेत ते आम्ही मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंगच्या तयारी करायच्या मार्गावर आहोत.
ओके.
बेसिकली मी हा म्हणजे जेव्हा राहुलनं कॉन्टॅक्ट केला तेव्हा डेफिनेटली माझ्या मनामध्ये आलं की जे लोक 52-55 वयाचे असतात त्यांना फ्रस्ट्रेशन येते जॉब झाल्यानंतर. जॉब आल्यानंतर फ्रस्ट्रेशन येऊ देऊ नका. तुमच्या नीड ज्या असते त्या फुलफिल झालेल्या असतात त्याची काय तुम्ही हे करा. मुलांचे एज्युकेशन वगैरे हे पॅटर्न आहे पण ते पॅटर्न आपण थोडा लिमिट हे करून त्याच्या आपण बाजूचे स्वतःच्या फ्रस्ट्रेशन न येता स्वतःचा मार्ग अवलंबला तर डेफिनेटली याच्यात सक्सेस मिळतो.
करेक्ट.
आज आम्ही सक्सेस मध्ये कॉन्फिडेंटली आहोत कारण काय आम्ही 4 करोडचे अचीव केल्याचे हे ट्रेडिंग थ्रू केलं. एंटरप्रेनर म्हणलं तर हा ट्रेडिंग हा पॅटर्न हा लिमिटेड सोर्स म्हणजे लिमिटेड कमिशन महिन्यामध्ये असतो पण तुम्ही मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग मध्ये उतरला तर तुम्हाला हाय प्रॉफिट मिळू शकतं हे आम्हाला पूर्ण लक्षात आलं. मी तेजमन असोसिएट हा ग्रुप मी फाउंडर आणि त्याचा मेन आहे. तर फाउंडर आणि ओनर आहे. तर आम्ही ह्या ग्रुपमध्ये 3 प्रकारचे व्हर्टिकल आता चालू करतोय. एक माझा इम्पोर्ट एक्सपोर्टचा लॉजिस्टिक्स कंपनी बरोबर सगळं जो माझा एक्सपिरियन्स आहे तो सुद्धा वापर करून आम्ही म्हणजे फ्रेट आणि ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन यामध्ये इम्पोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट मध्ये मी आता डेफिनेटली त्या 2 महिन्यामध्ये एका ग्रुप बरोबर जॉईन करून ऍक्टिव्हिटी चालू करतोय.
ओके.
आमची थर्ड ऍक्टिव्हिटी आहे. आम्ही थर्ड ऍक्टिव्हिटी मध्ये आम्ही TPS म्हणजे टर्नकी प्रोजेक्ट सोल्युशन ही कंपनी बरोबर आम्ही टायप केलेलं आहे. ही औरंगाबाद बेस्ड कंपनी आहे. हे फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर नंतर फायर सिस्टीम्स नंतर टर्नकी प्रोजेक्ट हे MEP प्रोजेक्ट घेते मेकॅनिकल इलेक्ट्रिकल अँड प्लंबिंग या पद्धतीचे प्रोजेक्ट मोठमोठ्या ऑफिसमध्ये लागतात. ते हातात घेत असतात तर ते आम्ही बरोबर घेऊन पुणे सिटीसाठी ते कार्य चालू करतो.
ओके. ग्रेट.
माझा स्वतःचा माझा एकच आहे सगळ्यांना की डोंट गेट फ्रस्ट्रेशन ऍट द एज ऑफ 52. जॉब तुम्हाला CRS VRS सगळ्या मिळतात पण त्यातनं तुम्ही जॉब सर्च करण्यापेक्षा स्वतःच्या सॅटिस्फॅक्शनला जे मिळेल त्या पद्धतीने गेला तर डेफिनेटली यू विल टच द स्काय.
येस सर. सर अजून हे आय वॉन्टेड टू आस्क लाईक what is the inspiration to become an entrepreneur to you?
See, entrepreneur म्हणजे self satisfaction. For me, I am satisfied whatever I am doing. And everyone entrepreneur जे बनतात ते पैशाच्या मागे जातात. मी पैशाच्या मागे म्हणण्यापेक्षा स्वतःच्या सॅटिस्फॅक्शनला जास्त इम्पॉर्टन्स देतोय.
Okay.
सेल्फ सॅटिस्फॅक्शन असताना मनी I may get 1 crore rupees also. I may get 1 lakh rupees also.
Correct.
But I'm not thinking how much I will get. I'm thinking that whatever money I will get, that is for my own satisfaction and need. That's my own.
Also, I wanted to know, like, what is the major difficulty you face when you have started this thing?
The major difficulty I face that if I go to any bank, they will not give a loan to me.
Okay.
Because of my age parameter. Definitely because of my age parameter, they will ask to mortgage something. If I mortgage whatever the present whatever the property to them, definitely that will create a problem in my own family, because it is definitely I have to take permission from my son because it is for them. And liability, if I am increasing liability on them, definitely they feel uncomfortable.
Correct, sir.
That is one of the major hurdle. Second hurdle, whatever I have seen, that money investment is very easy in any business. But to recovery from market is very difficult.
Very difficult.
So very difficult. Our business, whatever we are doing, it is more than in Pune and around there are 650 customers are there. Out of that, 3% people are biggest goon. They are gundas.
Okay.
Because we are working with them. They are goon definitely. But there are positive goon also and negative goons also. So I'll say why I am bifurcating positive goons. Recently I have experienced one of the beautiful example that one person, he was in jail. Garage person.
Okay.
But from the jail, he asked his PA, when I don't know how they contacted, but he asked his PA to transfer money to me or whatever product he has purchased.
Okay.
That is also experience I got it. He has informed to his PA. That is a positive thing. He may be good because of other reason and this thing. But we are handling such people also. Garage people are definitely difficult, but we are handling them. Basically, in quantity, when you are doing that, you have to take the calculated risk. That is very important.
Okay.
We are taking calculated risk, and our companies, when we are working with brand like this, Lumax, MFC, as well as Vidal, they are having their own systems.
Yes, sir.
So they are giving, they are having own softwares and these things. So as per software, they will not allow us to increase the credit also to the parties.
Okay.
Company is also supportive. So when we are working with a brand like this big companies, then it will be easy for us to work with them.
Correct.
That's my own way of thinking. So whenever you want to enter into business, you just try to see a big companies and try to get a distributorship. Don't start suddenly your own products.
Okay.
Everyone wanted to start their own product. They want to brand. Now electrical vehicles, there are so many people are manufacturing this thing. See, if you manufacture and sell in market, you will not get 5 or 10% profit also, or 20% profit.
Correct.
But that will not recover the cost of manpower, as well as rent, as well as working capital. As this will not, you cannot recover out of that.
Yes, sir.
And if you see, put on paper and these things, if you calculate a year profit, then definitely you will find that you are in loss. So for the young generation, I want to convey that don't suddenly enter into business for the new business.
Okay.
For the new business, purchases are very less of your product, and you want to find the product purchase. The time is very short in that.
Correct.
So you have to think that way. But slowly, you take 1 or 2 companies with you, then enter in business and start your business. Like what we are doing in this year, we are having the plan in this year we are having the plan to manufacture our setup. Maybe small. Present, whatever my strength is at 10 people, I am thinking that up to the next 10 years, I'll definitely increase up to 30-35 people.
Great.
I'm confident on.
Yes, sir. And also,
because
sir,
of my own.
In this COVID situation, many people have lost their jobs, and many of the companies had cut the salaries and everything. So in this case, it's also a very good opportunity for the youth to rethink like where they wanted to go. So what are the basic things they should use, and in which business they wanted to start with in this situation, sir?
See, if you ask me, last year also COVID situation was there. From March to June, there was no business.
There
was no business for us. If you say that out of 12 months, 4 months we were lost totally.
Okay.
Lost. But our team has recovered within next 8 months. In the COVID situation, don't become panic and start any business. Don't think that. Whatever the present business you continue like this, normally मराठी मध्ये म्हणतात राम 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 एकाच नावाचं हे करा, तो रामच देव पावेल, रामच तुम्हाला पावेल. थोडे तुम्ही राम राम म्हटलं तर थोडे क्षण लक्ष्मण तर राम अर्ध्या रस्त्यात आलेला वापस जाईल.
बरोबर.
तर माझं सगळं म्हणणं आहे की तुम्ही जे प्रॉडक्ट तुमच्याजवळ आहे तेच कंटिन्यू करा. कोविड सिच्युएशन मध्ये 4 महिने 2 महिने तुम्हाला लॉस होईल, मान्य आहे, 2 महिने लॉस होईल, पण टीम अशी डेव्हलप करा की ते 10 महिने उरलेलं 10 महिन्यामध्ये तो 2 महिन्याचा लॉस करून तो पूर्ण वर्षाचं रिकव्हरी बरोबर करून. पण ह्याच्यामध्ये एक मेजर प्रत्येकाला कॉन्फिडन्स पाहिजे की आपले जे एम्प्लॉई आहेत ते सॅटिस्फाईड असले पाहिजे. त्यांना तुम्ही सॅलरी कोविडच्या सिच्युएशन मध्ये सुद्धा दिली पाहिजे. डेफिनेटली थोडी पर्सेंटेज वाईज कमी इनवेरी करा, पण डेफिनेटली त्यांना सपोर्ट करा, त्यांच्या नीड्सला फुलफिल करा, बेसिक नीड्सला. तर ह्या गोष्टीतनं आम्ही मागच्या वर्षी झालं, ह्याही वर्षी झालं, आम्ही कुठेही कमी पडलेलो नाहीये. ऑल माय पीपल आर सॅटिस्फाईड विथ व्हॉट एव्हर वर्क दे आर डूइंग विथ अस. त्याच्यामुळं आम्हाला खात्री आहे की हीच टीम आमची 10 चे 25 करायच्या मार्गावर आम्हाला पूर्ण सपोर्ट करणार आहे.
डेफिनेटली.
तर या दृष्टीने आमचे प्रयत्न आहेत. तर कोविड मध्ये माझं सजेशन राहील की यू कीप ऑन गोईंग व्हॉट एव्हर, म्हणजे आपण ते y=mx+c म्हणतो ना, m1च ठेवा. Don't try to make it exponential. That's my suggestion.
And the last question is like, what is the suggestions you wanted to give to the youth in terms of those who are interested to start their business or become an entrepreneur?
I want to suggest to all the business people, young generation, take a calculated risk. First, find out the return on investment, what you are going to earn. People are nowadays not thinking what is the return they will get it. They are jumping straight away. They are jumping straight away in the business, and later on they come to know that they are in the loss.
Yes.
So don't do that. You want to develop any product. Take example, a simple product, load cell. Take example, load cell. Being an engineer, definitely people will understand. Or a dynamometer. If you want to make a setup that will require capital equipment, machinery is required.
Yes, sir.
And after making the product, it will 2 years, definitely 2 to 3 years time is required to sell your product in the market.
Correct, sir.
And that too, if you sell in the product in market, you have to sell at the lowest price. Then your profit margin will cut down. Second thing, all over in India or abroad also, now compressive AMCs are there, annual maintenance contracts are there. People are taking this also. So you have to provide the services for 3-4 years for the product which you sold in the market. So your profit is divided in 6 years time.
Correct, sir.
So don't do that. So better way, you first see that what is the return you will get from the market, and then go into it slowly.
So take a calculated risk.
Calculated risk. Don't jump into that. And if you are planning to bring an innovation in the market,
Yeah.
Innovation first see that who are certifying agencies, who are authorities, who approve the products. First study that. Otherwise, there are so many people, they are bringing the product in market, and certifying agencies are stopping them to not to go ahead.
Yeah, correct, sir.
Not for the certifying agency means BS standard is there. There are mineral water people are manufacturing, but where to certify?
Yeah.
They should learn first.
Yeah.
That's my
background study is very important.
So for the background study is very important, and normally it is said, America मध्ये तुम्ही product high quality, you will get high value definitely.
Yeah.
In America, the market is that way. If you go in China, your China people sell low quality product,
high quantity,
low value, low value.
Yeah.
And but in India, everyone wanted a high quality product with lowest price. Yeah.
Correct.
So if you want to make the quality product, then people are not giving the high price in India.
Yeah.
That mindset will not change at all in future. Maybe 50 years. Because unless and until this mindset is changed, you cannot. The young people cannot grow that.
Correct, sir. Correct.
There are last week I received one of MTech fellow came to me and he was trying to discuss with some machineries and these things to me. He was saying that he has manufactured the machine, but there are no buyers.
Okay.
His machine is ready. His machine is ready, but no buyer is there. And he has investment more than 60 lakhs in that. So better way, first find out the customer. That is calculated risk is very important.
Yeah.
You have to think in all the way.
Yes, sir.
So for the young engineers, think in that way, or start slowly. And at the age of 30, 35, you can jump into the business.
Yes, sir. Correct.
My journey is definitely useful for the people who are above 50 and wanted to start their own business.
Yeah, definitely. Like
don't run behind money. Definitely, that's what I want to say.
Yeah. Money, your journey is definitely going to help those who are into the retirement age and they don't know what to do further, just sitting on home or playing with kids. Instead of that, they can make a new career.
Here, just I will interrupt you. I'm not saying after retirement age. I am saying at the age of 52 to 53 because all these companies are 52 to 53 age at the age of 52 to 53 because most of the corporate companies remove the people at the age of 50 to 55 only.
Correct.
They take the VRS or CRS. In Pune, I'll say that there are number of people are in the already available. There are so many applications we are receiving. They are having the age of 52 to 53 because all these corporate wanted to remove high salaried people and they wanted to recruit the lower salary.
Correct. Yeah.
That's the present. Last week, one of the private company people are every day we are experiencing that. So
definitely
after 53, there are 53 people. They should think and go slowly. You may require 3-4 years to settle, but now whatever I settle the business definitely useful for my kids.
Definitely.
For my kids, young generation.
Yeah.
Now for my kid, if you want to start, he may not start it from the start. He will definitely join as a direct at good position to me in my
Correct. Yes, sir.
That's my future vision.
Definitely, sir. It's been a so amazing journey you have, and definitely your journey and your story will going to inspire the people who are in your age, 50 to 55, and we would like to know more about your products. What Tejman Association have the products? If you can tell us.
What I'll do. I'm having my CEO, Mr. Sachin Bavaskar, who is handling all this. I'm particularly looking his presence in to develop this particular product in market. I'll ask Mr. Sachin Bavaskar.
Great. So thank you so much, sir, for coming in this episode. And I wanted to know more about the products which you have, so that it will be helpful for our viewers also to more know about the Tejman Association.
So nice of you. We are dealing with Vidal and Mahindra First Choice spare part division and Lumax as well.
Okay.
Vidal is a range of oil and lubricants.
Yeah.
Specifically, automotive. We are more into automotive oil.
Okay.
Right from 2-wheeler, 3-wheeler, 4-wheelers, then truck, commercial vehicles, then hydraulic oil for your JCB and all.
Yeah.
These all are manufactured and built in Pune vicinity.
Okay. Great.
And Mahindra First Choice is a subsidiary of Mahindra. Mahindra and Mahindra.
Okay.
They started with Mahindra First Choice workshop, multi-car workshops. Later on, when the requirement was good, they developed spare part vendors which were able to give them a good quality spare part, and they were already giving them OEM spares for Mahindra and Mahindra.
Okay.
So MFC came in. MFC spare part division came into picture.
Yeah.
Where they are manufacturing air filters, oil filters,
okay,
relays, horn, brake pads, then suspension kit,
okay,
wipers. All these items for other than my upper sale market, and that is other than Mahindra brand.
Okay, okay.
Because Mahindra brand, all Mahindra vehicles they expect to be serviced with the Mahindra authorized workshops.
Yeah.
So other than Mahindra, all the vehicles are being covered in their range.
Yeah.
Lumax is also Lumax. There are two divisions in Lumax. We are particularly looking into filter division since we have good experiences in the market and good rapport with the automotive workshops and all.
Yeah.
So we started with Lumax as well.
Okay. And you're like you're on Pune and PCMC area, both areas?
For MFC, we look after only Pune area, but for Vidal, we look after Pune, PCMC, everything in Pune.
Okay. And is there any future plan to go outside Pune?
No, not really. We would like to develop within Pune city only because it's matter of supply chain. So it's better to utilize your own resources which are currently you have.
Okay, okay.
So it's
Great,
better
sir.
to work in the same city.
Yeah. Great, sir. Like you are also doing very good with Tejman Group, and my best wishes for you, and